Most people hesitate with an AED because they're afraid of doing it wrong. Here's the truth. The AED tells you exactly what to do, and it won't shock unless it's needed. What does an AED actually do? An AED checks the heart's rhythm. If it detects a dangerous rhythm, like ventricular fibrillation, it tells you to stand clear and deliver a shock. Where do the pads go? Bare chest. One pad goes on the upper right chest, just below the collarbone. The other goes on the left side, a few inches below the armpit. Think, top right, lower left. That creates a path through the heart. Why does this help? During cardiac arrests, the heart's electrical signals become chaotic, so the heart can't pump blood. The AED shock briefly stops that chaos, giving the heart a chance to restart a normal rhythm. Can it shock someone who doesn't need it? No. If a shock isn't needed, the AED won't deliver one. It will tell you to continue CPR. Turn it 1. Place the pads. Follow the voice.